Remember not long ago when Netflix said it wouldn't crack down on password sharing? Well, those days are over. It's coming soon. So all those friends and family you've been sharing your Netflix with could soon get locked out. But there is some good news. According to documents found online in January, the crackdown on passwords will not affect people on the same account who live in the same household. Better yet, devices that are used in the main household will still have access to Netflix even when they're remote. Those devices will be designated as trusted devices. So, if you use a laptop or phone to watch Netflix at home, it'll work just fine when you go to the gym or go on vacation. Now, a device will only be considered trusted if it logs into the Wi-Fi at the primary location and uses Netflix at least once a month. The streamer will ID the device using IP addresses and their geo-IP location, and device fingerprints and account activity. Subscribers can update their primary location if they'll be gone over 31 days. Legit paid subscribers who get blocked while traveling anyway will be able to request a code from Netflix to get access back for a week. The bad news is for those people who use your Netflix account that are not in the primary location. For them to continue using your Netflix, you're going to have to lay out cash for what's called the paid sharing option. The price for that in Latin America is $2.99 per month. There's no word yet on what it'll cost in the United States, but that's a pretty good guess. This is also bad news for people who use a VPN to access Netflix, because the company says that using a VPN at the primary address could get those devices kicked off. But Netflix wasn't in love with VPN users for a long time, so that's no surprise. For PC Mag, I'm Eric Griffith.